What going on? Today I want to talk about heat strokes. Because yesterday we almost lost one. We had a tragic incident. And I recently had somebody ask me about the kennels in the back. Like, do they get too hot? I normally don't put the dogs out there early, but I had to do some cleaning. So I put the dogs out there yesterday. And we almost lost one. Potato, he kind of overheated on me. I ain't gonna say he had a heat stroke, but he did overheat on me and he was kind of discombobulated. So we'll jump into that video. I really didn't know if I could post it, so viewer discretion is advised. So we're gonna jump into the video and I'm gonna show y'all what I did to try to keep him, you know what I'm saying, right. Let's jump into the video. But I walk outside to this morning, man. There's always some shit. Going on to get up, toilet and stuff on purpose. We still kind of responsible. I put the lemon juice, rub them down with alcohol. I ain't want to just send them in shock, so I ain't hit no water over them. I just been rubbing, got a little bucket of cold or cool water. I just been rubbing on his nose and on his tongue. Trying not to send him in shock. Man, that heat a motherfucker, man. And like I said, he ain't even been out there too long. I look out the window, I thought he was playing on his back. Thought he was playing on his back. I opened the back door to call out everybody, make sure everybody good. I always open the back door and check on everybody. And turn over when I want to pick them up. A dead weight. Potato. Bring the rest of the dogs in. Everybody ain't get a chance to go out yet. Because of this. I'm gonna put everybody in the car. The lemon juice definitely worked. I poured the lemon juice in his mouth. All the saliva came straight out his mouth. He started breathing better. At first it was like a heavy pant. You know what I mean? He's still breathing a little hard, but it's almost normal. I'm just trying to see if we gonna at least sit up for him. And now I'm gonna take that Vic tip, get him some IVs, but he went out there long, so. He's shaking back. Got that fan on my boy. Potato. What's up, big guy? He's so dirty. He need to go in the house today. Okay. She about tired of her purpose now. She was out there too. All of them was out there in their pen. Him, Hennessy, and Lil Dad. It doesn't matter if that shit would have happened to all them. Him, Hennessy, and Lil Dad.
Yeah, man, she was in on the verge of her head. She tired. She too ready to. She been jumped up and did something.
He got water in them.
Yeah.
He's shaking back for sure. Lift up, kind of alert. He still ain't got up. I give him about another 30 minutes. He gonna stand up. Yeah, about another 30 minutes. He gonna stand up. That fan probably feels so good to him. And I put him on the concrete. That's the concrete cold. Hey, be quiet, cat. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, she ain't even been outside yet. Let me take them outside.
Okay.
Yeah. Cat or Kilo.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to get up. You wanna get up, my boy? Yeah, he gonna shake that. Gotta keep them legs up on them. He like he trying to get out the front of the fan. No, he needs that motherfucker. What you gonna do, bro?
That's not that bad. That's not that bad.
Kingdom. Yeah. What you gonna do, my boy? Man, early he was just dead weight. He trying to move around now. He was dead weight early. When I first walked out there to get him. Yeah, he gonna get it. He got shit coming on him. Ooh, good boy, Potato. Good boy. Man, I ain't never had none of him like this. That was my first time ever seen it.
To the man. To the man.
Yeah, we're gonna take him to the vet, but I feel like they wasn't gonna do shit to kill him. That's how my mind be thinking. This shit to kill him. I'm saving for shit show. I ain't gonna do no tell him, oh yeah, heat stroke.
There's nothing else we can do. No, they make it shake back it down.
And he shaking back. Good boy. Man, I guess they would come with it. Or maybe he just had to use the bathroom. What you think?
Man, he can use the bathroom. Oh, yeah. Look at that water.
It's still coming out.
Clean up on aisle 3.
He might gotta go and go to the vet. Hate outside, man.
You know, you ready for another blowout if I drink that water.
Ooh. So lemon juice and all that too? I put lemon juice in his mouth to break up the slob and shit. Had a thick slob in his mouth. Yeah. So when you pour it in there, break it up and rub the alcohol, the green alcohol on their nuts and under their arm and on their stomach. Yeah. He's straight though. Yeah, he's sure. Thought we almost lost him. We almost lost you, my boy. He's still down for real, but he alert though. He just stood up on his own, drunk some water. Potato. Shaking all the way back. Yeah.
That didn't look like
Shaking all the way back.
Oh, this big rock, you're so pretty, bro. Ooh, ooh.
I'm keeping it out. You know, somebody texting me about a dog right now. Look at that man. Shook back. Heat stroke. Shook back. Potato. After the incident yesterday, he kind of overheat on me. Got him back right though. As y'all can see, he's still moving around. What's up, my guy? What's up, my guy? He's still a little droopy. He droopy like still. He coming around though. He moving around. He back eating, drinking water. Come here. Come here. You gotta watch them bulls, man. That heat. It ain't built for these kind of dogs that we breed. It ain't built for them. So try to keep them cool as you can. I appreciate everybody for watching the video, seeing what I did to help my dog shake back from being too hot. For all the bully breeders, man, make sure the dogs stay hydrated and make sure it's not too hot outside before we place our dogs outside, because a lot of people don't want to come to it, but these dogs do have breathing problems. If they stay outside too long, they will overheat because of the shorter muzzles that they have. So man, if you could save your dog from going through what I had to go through, try to do that. Instead of, some people leave their dogs outside. I did it at once upon a time. Maybe like when it's cold, sometimes I'll probably put the bigger dogs outside, but like right now, how hot it is, like it's getting up to 90 degrees and stuff. And I stay in Birmingham, Alabama, so I'm not sure how hot it is in other places, but for all bully breeders, for the sake of our dogs and the breed that we like to breed, make sure your dogs stay hydrated and cool down at all times. And I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you comment. If I did anything wrong, leave it down in the comments. I do appreciate all feedback, negative and positive. Leave a comment, and I'll see y'all next time. Big New Prophet.